Right folks, well we're up her again, and finally the time has come for me to maiden my Ranger 1600, which I'm hoping might be a kind of long range-ish with a spotter FPV plane. Now I saw online that they have a reputation for nosediving into the ground sometimes when hand launched, so I actually programmed in for the first time ever a trim switch, which will give me a little bit of up elevator. And I'm going to try it first at 2/3 throttle, so wish me luck. I think the answer is not too hard a throw. Oh, trim switch on. Oh, nothing wrong with that. Except it won't turn right. And it's climbing too much. Turn your trim switch off. Throttle back. That's it, on high rates it will turn. And that is half throttle. That was a bit of rotor from the trees. Being chucked around there. I don't like flying here with those trees. Happiest about half throttle. Above half throttle it's got a tendency to want to climb. Landing! Well, how about that? Right, well this is flight 2. Half throttle. That is rather nice. Does need a little trim up. Right, landing maybe. Well, that came down quicker than I thought, but not a bad landing. So that was it, folks. Very successful maiden of my Voluntex Ranger 1600. I was a bit anxious about it because I'd seen online had a tendency to dive in when it was thrown because it's a pusher, so I'd programmed for the first time ever a trim switch, made a video about that. I shall link that up there. Trim switch works very easily. It just means you get a bit of extra elevator when on that first throw. Plus, I think part of the problem people have throwing it is throw it too hard and you're throwing it into the ground. As you saw there, that was about 2/3 throttle. Throw at about a, what angle? 20-30 degrees above the horizon maximum, and no problem at all. The only thing I was forgetting was turn off the trim switch, but I'll get used to that idea. So I was very pleased with that. At half throttle it was cruising about and flying itself. I mean, you didn't hear it on the video. One of my friends shouted out, "Is that in loiter mode?" And it wasn't in loiter, it's just so easy to fly. No gyro, no gadgets, just easy to fly. And it's going to be, I think, a very good FPV machine. To that end, I did have a camera mounted on it. Comes with this cockpit on it, but also it comes with a little foam insert that goes there. And I mounted on it a little Hawkeye Firefly Q6 1080 camera. That's what produced the video, straight to SD card. And while on the subject of FPV, I've been messing around with analog for a while. I've got some digital stuff now. I bought the Ascent Lite, which is HD and digital. And just arrived today the Radio Master RP1 V2 ELRS receiver, which is tiny in comparison to the FlySky that was in there. That I've soldered on the lead that goes into the Speedy B. Obviously got to set it up and bench test it. And a big shout out to Caroline Tyler, who's got an excellent RC model flying channel and is a tech expert on this kind of technology, and she kindly gifted me a spare Radio Master Crush Pocket that she had. So big shout out to her. Don't forget to check out her channel. I'll link it down below. So in a nutshell, to sum up, I think I'm pretty well ready now for digital FPV and ELRS. and I think I've got the best good machine for it here. Big battery bay, beautiful to fly, so easy. Battery, it was very efficient in the air. I'd already started here putting a shelf in that. That's going to come out, the FSI 6. This is going to go in, not quite sure where the antenna is going to go, I've got to figure that out, but pretty much ready to go with that. If you've been a follower of my channel, you know I've been on a quest for FPV for a while, had 1 or 2 flights, but not been very successful. But I think I'm getting nearer by the day. So if you want to see how I get on, why not hit the old subscribe button? And if you've enjoyed this, please give it a like, it helps my algorithms. I'll link a couple of videos at the end, including the trim switch video. But that's all for now, and hopefully catch you all again soon. Happy flying!